What's going on YouTube? So today, came out here this morning, it's about 8:30. Came to do a speed run on the new GP1800r. It's a 2021. It's got a JP Racing Stage 1 kit. I was going to kind of do a little review on the kit too. I mean, I strongly recommend this kit so much, and it's so much better than the Riva kit. And it's about, I think it's around the same price. If not, it's a little bit more, but you get more speed. So I mean, you can get a Riva Stage 1 and it gets you to like 78. And I mean, that's fast, but I mean, this kit gets you 81, 82. I hit 83 at one point, and I mean, I've been running 82, 81 with like a full tank of gas. As you can see, that's how much gas I have. It's about at half right now. And I haven't even had the trim turned to the perfect trim thing. I've had it trimmed down so I can like keep the thing in the water. But it also sounds so much cooler because the cold air intake that JP has makes it just sound so much better. It really opens up the engine and makes it sound so much faster. So just figured I'd do a little review on the kit and the ski, and you know, let's see how fast we can get it to go. So hope y'all enjoy. So as y'all can see, I was hitting 82. I weigh 160 pounds or so. Full, or not full, half tank of gas. Running 82, and it's still not even perfect conditions out. Like, we got someone surfing right here. That's why I kind of slowed down, because I hit a wave going 82. It's just not going to end well for me. But I mean, if it was glassy smooth, I guarantee you I could hit 83, and if I had less gas, I could get it 83. But I mean, that's just a stage 1 kit. Like 3 little parts: catch can, air intake, and a tune. Like that's unbelievable. This ski though, the platform, it rides amazing. It's super fast. The response on it is crazy. I can get this thing up to full speed within seconds. And I mean, that's like, it's like a Tesla, dude. Like, that is the only way to describe it. This is like a Tesla full of water. But that's about it for the ski. You know, if y'all want me to do any more specific reviews on it, like, you know, more in depth, y'all let me know in the comments. I can do that. I mean, why not? But as of right now, that's it for this one. So hope y'all enjoy it. Thank you.